So that's wonderful. Now you have everything set up. The pixel is ready, your accounts are tagged, sorry, linked. And now the next step is to assign it to people, right? Without assigning assets. So what you have done is created an ad account, that is an asset. You have linked pages and Instagram account, that is an asset. And you have created a data set or pixel, that is an asset. So all of these assets has to be assigned or given access to the people that you have in your business manager account, right? So I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. So again, we come back to the Meta business settings page. So we go to people, and you should see yourself here that says full control, advanced options, and everything. You're in full control. So this is the name or the email ID and the date that you were last active. That shows for the person that has created this Meta account, Meta business account, right? Not ad account or anything. This is the business account, right? Your ad accounts are down here that we created earlier. So now this is the business account. So we go to people and say if you want to have invite someone else, right? If you want to give access to someone else, so you have to invite people here first, right? This is for a freelancer or someone as a marketer who comes in and is not an agency. Okay, you invite people here by entering, just a second. So you invite people here by entering the email ID that they have given access or that they have given while creating their Facebook profile. So you put that email ID here and it populates their Facebook account, and you can enter, it'll show you the next steps to give access to. You can say nothing and you can move on. So I'll just give you an example of another Facebook account that I have of mine. So it's going to say, what do you need for this business portfolio? You can see business portfolio. It is for this business account. Do you want them to have full control of this business account? Uh, Probably everything is good for that person, or no, just basics is fine. Business portfolio, they can work with pages, Instagram accounts, and business assets that you assign to them, right? Business assets. So that's what I'm going to show you later on. So you can keep this at basic and say click on next. So these are your asset types, right? The catalogs that I was talking about earlier while setting up the pixel in Shopify. So these catalogs are also populated here. Your Instagram account, the pixels, your ad accounts, your Facebook pages. So now that we have linked a Facebook page, we can select which Facebook page, and then in this also we can give them the what access that we need. We can give them partial access or full control, so you can read on what you need and you can give them these accesses. And yeah, accordingly you can select the catalog, pixels, and then you can invite them, right? I'm not going to do that right now, but yeah, you can invite them, and you can see another name populate below your name, and it will show what business portfolio access that they have. This is business portfolio or your business manager account access that they have. And if the status is, if it shows inactive, then it means that they have not accepted the invite, or they are waiting to they have to yet to accept the invite. Once they accept the invite, it will turn to active and it will show when's their last activity. Okay. So that's how you invite people. So now how do you invite partners? So partners are agencies. So you click on partners here. I already have 2 3 partners. So this is not an agency. These are like tools that we need. Like Wati is a tool that we use to communicate with customers and maintain a stable customer communication, right? So even pre-purchase and post-purchase. So Wati is our tool. So Wati has a way of working with us, and we have a WhatsApp account as well. So Wati needs access to this business account because all my assets are in this business account. So they have a partner ID. So that's why Wati is here. And we had another website with another communication tool. Forgot the name about it, but yeah. So that's how partners are assigned here. So partners technically need different level of access to that helps them achieve better with Meta. right? And for these are just apps, so these apps would need partner accesses. So now if you're giving a partner an access, you click on add, give a partner access, and they will have a business ID. They will not have an email ID, they'll have a business ID, a numerical number that they will give it to you, and you can enter it here and you can click on next, and their business name will show up over here, right? And then with against that you can click their name and you can say assign assets, right? You can assign the assets over here, click on them. Again, they have, as you can see, they have a longer list of assets that we can assign as partners, right? So they have domains, custom conversions, data sets are something like pixels, but they have custom events as well. So again, Instagram accounts you can give them access to, pages you can give them access to, ad accounts, catalogs, if apps, right? Like I was talking about apps, so that's what they needed. uh, so then you can select that and then save changes, so they have access to it. So what you needed access to my catalog, so they have a partner access to my business account. So they have WhatsApp accounts as well that they have access to. They have no other access, as you can see. They have no other access. Yeah, so you are visibly seeing the amount of access that you have given to people and partners on your business settings page. Hope this helps and clears all your doubts on how to share access with people or with agencies. Thank you. See you in the next one.